Hey everybody, John Brown, Bar Home. Okay, I thought I'd share some barrel aging with you today. I'm super excited about this. I'm really actually proud of it. We call it the Poolside Jonny, and you can actually, I made it so you could drink it over a rock as a cocktail, or you could serve it over crushed ice and add a little pineapple juice or mango juice, any sort of tropical kind of juice that you want to. So what I have here is a 1 liter barrel. What I did first, before I added these ingredients that I'll explain to you here, is I seasoned this barrel with sherry. So I took a bunch of sherry, put it in here for about a week, seasoned it up, kind of gives it a fortified wine kind of flavor to the barrel, plus all of the charring that's going on inside this barrel just kind of makes it really nice. So what I did here, I've experimented with this. So I used rum. I freaking love this rum. RL Seals, very good. It's Barbados style rum, very good. And then what I said is, okay, it's way too sweet, because rum does have a real sweetness to it. So I added oven-proof rum right here. This is Don Q. So you could use Bacardi 151, whatever you have. I like Don Q. I like the way to distill it. Like literally, oven-proof means I could spill this on the table and light a match to it. We could start the house on fire. We're not going to do that today. So I added both of these, and then on top of that, I added an amaro to it. So this is called amaro. So I love this one. There's plenty to use. It took me a little while to get which one I wanted to use with this recipe. So remember that amaro means bitter in Italian. So there's different degrees of bitterness. This one's kind of got a sweet, nutty, and it finishes with a bitter flavor to it. And then I added banana liqueur. Now my preference is Giffard, but it was going to take too long to get here. But I just use Droulade, banana creme de banani. I don't know if that's how you say it, but my son speaks French, but I don't know, he's not around. Anyway, and then I finished it off with a little bit of walnut bitters inside of there. So put that all in the barrel. I can share the exact ratios with you. And this has, well, actually when we come back from Barcelona in a couple of weeks, it should be ready to actually take out of the barrel and bottle and be ready for me to drink poolside, right? Poolside Jonny. John Brown, drinking a Poolside Jonny. And what we're gonna do right here, let's do this real quick. Let's take a little taster of it. Let's see if we can get some come out. There we go. See how it tastes right now. It smells good. Oh man, that's gonna be stellar. And the thing that makes it really interesting too, because the barrel is charred, so it has like this smoky, really nutty, but yet you feel like you're in the Bahamas or you're in Hawaii, somewhere tropical. So this is going to be awesome. And when I bottle it, I'm probably just gonna hoard it for myself. So don't expect to come over or for me to serve this to you when you come over. Okay, that's all I'm saying. This is all mine. I'm out. John Brown, Bar Home.